Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. So, y'all, I took a shower and I got back under my covers, y'all. Whew, it's cold. Ugh. So, I took my shower already. I got on my undergarments and but it's freezing. So, I got my clothes right here that I thought my shirt was right there, that I'm going to be putting on because I was being lazy because it's so cold out there. Because I was going to go to the food bank. Again, the same one that I went to yesterday where I had to get ling ling. But I almost got ling ling, I should say. Jokingly. Because I wanted some more eggs. You just can't have enough eggs. And then they did have bell peppers in. They're gonna be doing some more stuff. So you could, like I said, this one you could go every single day. So I was thinking about it. So I'm getting ready to go downstairs. I think I'm gonna bring y'all downstairs once I get completely dressed. And yeah, we gonna go, y'all, because I gotta complete the challenge. I can't be lazy, but I'm only gonna do this until tomorrow. No, today, tomorrow. Then I'm not gonna go back until the 23rd. Yeah, until the 23rd, because yeah, maybe, maybe. Okay. So I will meet you guys downstairs and we're going to see what we're going to have for breakfast. And then I got a bunch of upcoming videos, what I'm going to do with all of the fruits and vegetables to preserve them longer, because we know the holidays is coming. So you don't want to go to all of these food banks and then, it seems wasteful, but it's not, I promise you. So I'm going to be doing step-by-step ways to preserve your all your vegetables, your apples, your pears, your cucumbers, your onions, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to get some breakfast in us, and then we're going to head back out. Okay? All right. All right, so I'm downstairs, y'all. I don't know what I want to make for dinner. For dinner. For breakfast. I don't know. I'm not really for sure. I think I'm just probably gonna make what's it called? Some toast. I think I'm just gonna do probably some toast and maybe some fruit or a sunny side egg. Not really for sure, but y'all want to see the outfit of the day? Some black pants, black shirt. That's it, honey. And we ain't going nowhere without our lashes. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm gonna eat. Okay, be back. Oh, y'all, so I got my daughter, don't you lying. I know you, boy, you ain't got a strain of white in you. You sit on my counter again and see what's gonna happen. Cause baby, I'm gonna try to get some clips in today. Milk. Of them when they be out there pushing it and just doing stuff.
Oh, nice.
Well, we need some milk.
No,
I was like, we got none.
What did I say? I said milk.
Did I leave my water? Can you hand me that water right there? It's right there in front of you.
This is sourdough bread.
It is? Ooh, I love sourdough.
Got it?
What's wrong with it?
I don't like sourdough.
Is it soft? It's very hard. Put it back in the plastic.
Thank God for breakfast and chili.
Y'all, my daughter could eat chili all day, every day. And she could eat a whole pot to herself.
A burger, it is. That's this means blood in it.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna cut it off right here because I'm already at 18 minutes and I'm gonna eat my breakfast, and then the next video you will see is out the door. All right, so remember, stay safe, stay healthy, happy, and all of that. And peace. I love you. Okay.
This is gonna be a good morning.
I'm gonna jump off this camera next.
You stand up there and sit up there again.
I'm finna jump
Y'all, they
off
on my nerve already this morning. Somebody come get them. Bobby, come get your key. Oh.
Ah.
You see it? You see what I gotta deal with over here? Y'all, when I say it's chaotic over here, believe me what I say, Kay.
It's an egg.
Hey, excuse me. What?
Ah, man, I can't move.
Don't make your eggs.
I can't move.
Y'all,
Mom, I
please.
can't move. My butt gonna hurt.
Y'all, this boy been falling. He fell coming down the stairs on purpose, and then he gonna fall here on purpose. I'm not going to the hospital. You gonna be hurt. I'm gonna cut up an old raggedy t-shirt, tie your leg up on something, and going on about my business.
butt bone.
Well, I don't care if it is your butt bone. You shouldn't have never hurt your butt bone. That was really stupid of you. Right, and ain't nobody gonna call CPS on me. Child Protective Services on me, because I didn't do anything. Y'all saw it? Y'all seen it? Girl, may I ask, how many eggs is you making?
I was making it for you too.
I don't want sunny side up. How you know what I want?
We can scramble it.
Oh, my Lord. Y'all, this really goes on in this household.
Okay, yeah, I need to go to the hospital.
Well, I don't care. You did it. You better call your father.
Mom, remember when I was
No,
trying-
I don't want to remember anything because I don't want to be tied to this. Shoot.
Remember when I was
No, I don't want to hear nothing.
And I heard my butt
Isaiah, I don't want to hear anything.
bone. Should I take my pepper?
No, I don't. Hey, Honey, I don't. Oh Lord Jesus.
Fell backwards.
I told you it wasn't me. That
Oh
thing
my
tricked
God.
me. That thing tricked
You
me.
a lie.
Just
The
like
rug been sitting here this whole time.
Exactly, and it
You
tricked
put it
me.
under my foot.
How? Mom, the rug been sitting
You know
right
what?
there.
I'm
the
gonna
whole
need you to
time
get your life to
sitting.
hold it, boy.
I can't get up. My butt.
Well, whatever.
You gonna put me in the struggle?
Listen, I'm not gonna put you in nothing.
You got to.
I don't gotta do nothing. You hear me? What I say?
Mom, you gonna
You
fall.
did, you
I don't care if I am your mom.
You gotta help me.
I got witnesses.
So you not gonna take care of me?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. You, cause you hurting yourself. Why? Who does that?
My nigga and my butt hurt the most.
You was not even deprived as a baby.
What?
No, you was not deprived, honey. That means I didn't neglect none of my children.
And then you pass me some seasoning, Mom?
What?
Can you pass me
Yeah,
some
no,
seasoning?
You know what? We can't do all 52 minutes of this foolishness. That's what we ain't gonna do. So you better get up.
What the heck is that?
Listen, I don't know what drug you on, but you better get off of it. Shoot. Bunch of foolishness. Look at her. Come on. I dare you to do something stupid again.
I can't. I put my butt on hurt.
That is retarded, y'all. Did y'all see that?
Oh, dang.
Oh, did you see what
I
he
think
did?
that's my ex-husband's seed right there. That ain't my side of the seed, honey. My side of the seed is a little chaotic. Y'all know that, honey. We don't be jumping down, falling down, hurting ourselves. Honey, we can't do that. Honey, body parts nowadays is rare. You hear me? It's rare. It's rare to get, back parts and foot parts and all that. This boy is crazy. Y'all see that? Did you see that? We can't get no body parts, honey. People needs fingers, eyes, and all this, and he throwing his body down like that. No. That boy is nuts. Oh my gosh.
My knee hurt.
Well, you did it, but you gonna go out here and walk too. So, maybe you was throwing your body down because you didn't want to go down yonder. That's what you was doing. I caught on to what you was doing,
I thought
sucker.
you was going by yourself.
Oh, you was a lie. You coming too, Jack. Oh. I caught on to it, y'all. I caught on to the foolery. Somebody come look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here I go. Let me.
I quit.
I'm finna jump on.
I quit.
Yo, did y'all see that?
Ooh, that's
All right,
funny.
Dad. My head.
I just now caught on to what you did. Boy, you slammed down hard.
Oh, my head.
I'm not calling the hospital. Excuse me now, move yourself. Hold on, nothing. I'm not. You think I'm calling the police or the hospital? Not me.
Oh, that's funny, Mama. Woo. No, it's fun
Did
now.
y'all see that? Somebody come look at this.
That's super funny.
Oh, wait. I don't want that.
Thanks for
Yeah,
the
Come on, move yourself.
Guys,
I got an aspirin. You should have never hurt your body so you can get an aspirin.
I hit my head in my back. I hit my head.
Oh, Lord.
I mean, you know.
When the cameras is not on, this is the foolishness. He don't be throwing himself down like this. Honey. This first time we done woke up in 2020 and this kind of foolishness. And this is the first time in my life I ever seen this kind of foolery.
Mom, give me an ass.
I'm not getting you nothing, boy. No, I'm not. You get up and get it. Huh.
Oh, my goodness.
You gonna have to take some of my medication. Shoot. That boy is crazy. Y'all see? Oh, Lord. Honey, I'm gonna keep the camera rolling for evidence. Wowzers. You stupid. Oh, Lord Jesus. He done got me all discombobulated, y'all. I'm putting the pepper in the refrigerator.
And where's the...
Oh, Lord Jesus. Come on, get your eggs out of there, please, girl. Oh my gosh.
I just met your ex.
I know I want to So honey, I'm going to be making my I'm gonna be just toasting up. You ain't gotta clean it on out. Oh, Lord.
Any butter?
No. I'm just gonna be using some of the ground beef. And I'm going to be scrambling. I should have made a patty, huh?
Mom, please give me an aspirin.
Can you get up and get an aspirin?
I can't.
Okay, so you're not handicapped. That's what we're gonna prove right there. You shouldn't have did that. That was real dumb.
You did it hard, really.
Really hard. And ain't nobody gonna call
You
the
went
police on
down, man. You went. Ooh, you body planned yourself. Did
Right.
you feel it? Did you feel it?
Right.
Did you feel the second
And
person?
then blew my cover because she kept on laughing.
I bet. I was funny. Your act was terrible. It's terrible.
Y'all ain't never in my life.
It was actually perfect, but then just kept on laughing.
I said it was terrible.
And then if you would have never
I
laughed, I would have
said,
never
Mama,
caught
did you
on.
see right through that if I was
After a while, I kind of figured it out.
And she was laughing too much, huh?
Huh?
Because she kept on laughing.
No. It wasn't because she was laughing.
I said I was laughing.
It's because I had looked at your face expression, and I know when you don't want to do something.
You don't have to go today.
You don't have to throw yourself down, but you did it. Seems like it fit to me. Now, how about that?
And I said,
Y'all.
even if you would have told me, I would have still
Y'all see
laughed.
that? I can't believe it.
I would have.
You did blew my cover. That's what I'm saying. I knew I could never told you.
I told you, baby. I know the steps of my children when they walk down the stairs. When you walk down the stairs, and the way you walk down, I heard it. I said, oh no. The crazy boy then threw himself down the stairs.
And most of the women said it before you got on camera.
Huh?
I said you said that before you
Yeah.
you got on camera and
Right.
and when you came downstairs you like
Right.
you threw yourself down.
Right. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna cut the video right